Interest in the paranormal field has surged over the years, driven by a mix of curiosity, cultural influences, and the quest for answers to unexplained phenomena. This fascination encompasses everything from ghost hunting to investigating mysterious creatures and phenomena that defy conventional understanding. Paranormal investigators dedicate themselves to exploring these enigmatic realms, often utilizing a blend of scientific methods and traditional lore. Most paranormal investigators are looking for some or all of the following: ghosts and spirits, seeking evidence of spirits or residual energy from the deceased in haunted locations; EVPs, electronic voice phenomena, recording and analyzing unexplained voices or sounds captured on audio devices; apparitions, attempting to witness or document the appearance of ghostly figures or shapes; poltergeist activity, investigating reports of objects moving or being thrown without any apparent physical cause; orbs, capturing orbs or spherical light anomalies in photographs or video, believed by some to be manifestations of spirit energy; shadow figures, documenting dark, humanoid shapes that are often seen peripherally or in fleeting glimpses; unexplained noises, analyzing sounds such as footsteps, knocking, or whispers that have no identifiable source; temperature fluctuations, monitoring sudden and unexplained changes in temperature, which are often associated with paranormal activity. This is an exciting, and for some very scary, new field of adventure. For more info, see link in description. Please click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.